Oh my God. Are you not gonna go with me?
I'm going with you. You just go a lot faster than I do.
Ugh. Well, I'll just make it slow.
Okay.
I play with the brakes.
They're not signaling, so they're not coming this way. If they were to turn up this road, they would have their signal on, their turn signal.
Oh, I don't wanna ride.
No, you want to play it safe, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Are we gonna run?
You can run if you want.
Run! Yeah. Woo. Oh, my butt is hurting. Keep it. Ow.
No, now you gotta rest. And there it is. The maiden voyage.